Welcome! If you're wondering how to check your inbox messages in the Roblox app, you're in the right place. Whether you're looking for important updates, friend requests, or just want to stay connected, checking your messages is quick and easy. Let's walk through the steps together. First, make sure your device is unlocked and the Roblox app is installed. Tap the Roblox icon to open the app. Once you're in, you'll land on the main screen where you can see your profile, games, friends, and more. Now, look towards the bottom right corner of your screen. You'll see a button with 3 dots. This is the More button. Go ahead and tap on it. This will open up a menu with several options, giving you access to different features and settings within Roblox. In this menu, scroll until you find the Messages option. It's usually easy to spot, and sometimes you'll even see a notification badge if you have unread messages. Tap on Messages to open your inbox. Inside your inbox, you'll see all the messages you've received. These could be from Roblox itself, your friends, or other players. You can tap on any message to read its contents. If you want to keep your inbox organized, you can also archive messages you've already read. That's all there is to it. In just a few taps, you can stay up to date with everything happening in your Roblox world. Checking your messages regularly is a great way to make sure you never miss out on important news, game invites, or special announcements. Thanks for joining in today. Now you know exactly how to check your inbox messages in the Roblox app. Stay connected and have fun exploring.